Let's look at this question number 37 for JAMB Past Question Biology 2018. Use the diagram below to answer questions 37 and 38. This is the diagram showing the life cycle of tapeworm. At which stage in this cycle can man be infected? A, 2, B, 4, C, 5, D, 6. So at which stage in this can man be infected? For us to be able to understand this and answer it correctly, we need to know what is involved in the life cycle of a tapeworm. Now if you have a tapeworm, this first stage represents when human ingests raw or uncooked pork containing cysticeri. So that's what happens in this first place. The injection of raw or undercooked pork. So whenever you eat raw or undercooked pork, then you will have to have these. That's the stage here is. So stage number 2 here is what we call in the intestine, where the cystacea mature into adult, attaching to the wall of their scolex. So there is maturity of the I have to call this the cysticeri. So let me write the spelling. Cysticeri. So this is where it was ingested. This is where it matures and attaches itself to the wall of the scolex. So moving forward, here we have the adult worm forming. So the adult worm forms here, and this is where it becomes infectious to man. That's what happens there. So this other place, the eggs develop into what we call oncospheres, which penetrate the intestinal wall. That is what happens in 5. Then finally here you have the oncospheres circulate to muscles and other organs and develop into cysticeri again. So that is what happens here in this cycle. So you find out that when it becomes infectious is at this 4, which is B, becomes infectious to man at that level. Thank you.